Do you want fix a crash in Dark and Darker? Okay, we are going to the fix this problem. Okay, step by step. Okay, the first fix. Okay, you go to the okay here on the files, and you go to the documents. Okay, and here you go on your okay here in desktop, and you go to the point exe, okay, of Dark and Darker. Okay, and you click right, okay, and you go to the properties, and here you go to the versions, okay, and you put the version here. Okay, you accept, okay, and you solve the problem of crash on Dark and Darker. Bye bye.